plus 20.
Then minus 20. 0 again. No 96. Stick with me, I'll show you why. Hey, let's learn the concept properly. Not the exam jargon version. Forget the fancy word for a second. Percent only means per 100, that's it. 25 out of 100? That's a quarter. Look with me. One whole bar, a quarter shaded. So when they throw 37.5% at you, convert first. That's 3/8. Then divide. Don't grind the decimal. Alright, so here's the thing. You don't need every percentage memorized. Just the awkward ones the exam writes on purpose. Half is 50. A third is 33 1/3. An eighth is 12.5. A sixth is 16 2/3. Here's the trick, 12.5% of anything? Divide by 8. Feel how unfair that is once it clicks. Okay, next idea, and this is the one that saves marks. Percentage change is new minus old, over old times 100. Numerator? Easy. Denominator? That's the whole fight. Underline the words after more than, or less than. That number sits on the bottom. Same 675 can be 15% up or 13% down. Because the base moved. See the trap? One more concept before we touch the board examples. Stay with me. 2% moves in a row are never just add and subtract. Curious why? You apply the first change. Then the second change rides whatever is left. That is why plus 20 then minus 20 lands at 96. Not 100. Say it with me, first move new base, second move. Forget that order in the option trap wins. Alright, let's move to some worked out examples. We'll go slow on the first one together. What is 37.5% of 640? Convert first. 37.5% is 3/8. See it? Now we divide 640 by 8 is 80. See 80 times 3. 240. 240. Trap name grinding the decimal. Convert first and you're done in 3 seconds. Okay, now the fun one. The trap that shows up in almost every paper. Price goes up 20%, then down 20%. What's the net change, 0? Start at 100. Up 20 lands at 120. Now cut 20% of 120. That's 24, not 20. Notice. See, 120 minus 24 is 96. For percent decrease. Not 0. Never 0. The second change rides the new base. Let's try another one together. This one feels unfair the first time. A is 25% more than B. By what percent is B less than A? Give B 100. Then A is 125. Now gap is 25. But the base is now a 125. Different bottom. C, 25 over 125 is 1/5. Times 120. So B is 20% less than A. 25 up one way. 20 down the other. Alright, next pattern, undoing a cut. Salary got cut 20%. What percent rise brings it back? Start at 100. After a 20% cut you hold 80. You need 20 more to get back to 100. Base is now 80, it shrank. See, 20 over 80 times 100 is 25. 25% rise. A cut always needs a bigger percent to undo, the base shrank. Same energy, different story, town grows 10%, then another 10%. Is that 20 net? Watch. Start at 100. First 10 lands at 110. Now second 10% of 110 is 11, not 10. See, 110 plus 11 is 121. 21% net growth. Two 10s do not make 20. They make 21 because the second 10 rides a bigger town. Last worked example, then we grab the shortcuts. A number is first raised 25%, then reduced 20%. Where do you land, higher, lower, or back? Watch, 100 up 25 is 125. Now, cut 20% of 125, that's 25. See, 125 minus 25 is 100. Back to the start. 25 up then 20 down cancels, but only because 20 is the restore partner of 25. Don't guess. Name each base. Hey, before practice, let's log 4 shortcuts you can actually use under time pressure. Trick 1. Equal up, equal down. Always a loss. X squared over 100. Plus 10 minus 10, 1% gone. In the paper they will offer 0. Don't take it. Trick 2, 12.5. Divide by 8. 16 and 2/3. Divide by 6. Say it once, use it forever. Trick 3, 15% is 10% plus half of that 10. Build it in your head. Don't grind the calculator. Trick 4. 2 successive changes of NB. Net factor is 1 plus A times 1 plus B. Minus 1. Plus 10 then plus 10 is 21%, not 20. Name each new base. Here's one to try yourself. Winner got 60% of votes and won by 900. Total votes? Pause the video and give it a shot. The answer is 4,500. Gap is 20% of the total. 20% is 900. So the whole pie is 4,500. Here's one to try yourself. Length up 20%. Breadth down 10%. Area change? Pause the video and give it a shot. The answer is 8% increase. Successive, 20 minus 10. Then subtract the product over 100. That's plus 8, not plus 10. Here's one to try yourself. Number falls 25%. Then rises 25%. Net? Pause the video and give it a shot. The answer is 6.25% decrease. Same trap as the hook. Equal moves never cancel. Loss is 25 squared over 100. Here's one to try yourself. Price rises 10%, then falls 10%. You paid 1,000 at the end. What was the original? Pause the video and give it a shot. The answer is about 1,011. End is 99% of start, so start is 1,000 over 0.99. So here's what you take into the paper for instincts. Convert to a fraction first. Name the base. Stack successive moves on the new base. Never trust plus x minus x to cancel unless the restore partner matches. Open ExamMaster. Percentage set for SSC CGL. Drill 15 questions tonight. Subscribe if this felt like a real lesson. See you in the next one.